Alright, if you remember my window install video, which I admit was a little crummy because I was unprepared, my battery kept dying, and I missed a lot of key parts. Well, one of the steps was actually gluing this outer trim to the top, and it became a little messy because, you know, you had to use this quick cement type of adhesive, and I just wanted to make sure that there's a good seal here. So especially in the corners, I put a lot of it here, which resulted in a bit of a mess. So I've been researching ways of cleaning this up because, you know, obviously I think it looks pretty terrible. And I ended up buying a can of mineral spirits. So that's what I'm going to use to clean this up. So this is a can of mineral spirits that I was telling you about. You can get that at Home Depot. I think it was about $9. So I'm gonna use this thing along with a couple of brushes. This is like a plastic brush. It's pretty firm, and this soft bristled toothbrush, and just a rag, and we'll see what happens. So I put just a tiny little bit of that stuff on the rag, and I'm gonna try to carefully work that in. Could have used some tape to tape off this stitching. You know, I don't really like using this brush in that because it might fray it. So I'm just going to use the softer one. It's going to take a little longer, but I don't care. I'm actually surprised at how nicely it's coming off. Alright, I'm gonna let it dry off and focus on a different area. Okay, I added a little light here because I've noticed it's a little dark. Not all of you will be able to see it, but look at this. It's pretty much gone. I mean, I can't see any more residue. Just give it a few more rubs, just for good measure. I mean, I can still kind of see the outline. I mean, it's funny, I just dabbed a little bit of, you know, of those mineral spirits here, but it still looks a little wet. Alright, and just like that, it's gone. It actually worked a lot better than I expected. I have the same situation going on the other side, but I mean, you get the idea. I'm not going to bore you with the details on that, but this is how you do it. Just take mineral spirits, pour just a little bit on the rag, dab it on your residue. You know, just you can dab it and rub it in, and just use a couple of brushes. I would be careful with this plastic brush here because it's just a little too firm. So just be careful around the stitching so you don't fray this. Otherwise, man, yeah, it really worked like a charm. And it, as you can see, it doesn't really stain the fabric or anything. I mean, I still wouldn't use the excessive amount. I would still use a little bit and just work slowly and patiently. But man, it came out well. I like it. And again, thank you so much for watching. I mean, if you find these videos helpful, please subscribe. You know, I'm not doing this for money or anything like that, but I figured all these videos are going to be helpful, you know, if you're working on similar types of projects. There's not a whole lot of content out there for cars. So, you know, hopefully you guys find this helpful, and I'll keep them coming. The videos should get better, and the projects should get interesting, a lot more interesting, because I have a lot of work to do on this car.